In this video, I'll show you how you can add PayPal to your Squarespace website. So for this, we need Squarespace and we also need a website called Elfsite. So first of all, you want to go to Elfsite and click on widgets right there. Next up, you want to search for PayPal. Okay, so I'll do that right now. PayPal, there you go. Hit enter. Right there, you find PayPal button. So process payments on your website easy and fast. So click on PayPal. Click on create widget right there. And you then have a few different options. So you can choose the donation one, the subscription one, and also the checkout one. So depending on what, which kind of template you want to use, select the one that you want to use. So I'll go with the checkout one. You then click on continue with this template. Right there, you then need to add your seller PayPal email. Once again, you can choose the payment type. You can add the product name. You can add the currency, the price, shipping settings, and tax settings as well. So make sure you go into all of this so that you can fix that. Now next up, click on button. So you can choose this. You can customize all of this, right? So maybe like that. And then you can also choose these or get rid of them if you need to. But once you're done customizing this, you want to click on join to install and sign up for an account or sign in. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign in. They will then send you back to this page. All you need to do is click on save, top right corner, and then you can click on add to website after you choose the plan. So they have a couple of plans available. I'll just go with the free one for now. They also have a 14-day money back guarantee, so you can always get your money back. Next up, go to Squarespace and add a section, or pretty much add this wherever you want to add this. All you need to do is click right there and then click on code right there and then paste that code from Elfsite in there and then click on apply. If I now click on done, you'll find this buy now with PayPal option, and that's how you can add PayPal to your Squarespace website. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll see you next time.